Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to add drawings to your photos on the Unfold application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First, open the app on your phone, then tap on the projects button down below, which is the second option. After that, select a picture to which you would like to add your drawing. Then slide to the right side of the screen down below and click on the draw button. Here you should select your brush, either the normal or animated, and here you can select its size by using the scale. Then you can also select its color and then start drawing. As you can see, it's animated, but you can choose the normal one. You can also add the drawing, so that's how it differs. As you can see, the one is moving and the other one is solid, so that's how you can add the drawings to your photos or videos. And as you can see, it has been saved. That's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.